So when we create, for example, a pillar blog post, so you select whatever blog post, and what are these three different questions? Because I know that the main topic of interest is used to generate the insights on the next page. What are the three different informations used for?
So main topic of interest, there are two sections, right? You have market research. You also use main topic of interest, and you sort of train Athena using main topic of interest in your research that you have done. Here, the main topic of interest is related to your blog, the content. So for example, emotional intelligence for health worker can be a very specific topic here. That's your topic that you're targeting here. Now, this main topic of interest also pull a lot of data from Google. So this connect with your market research. This is an interconnected topic with your market research. And it also pull the information from the SERP, Google data. So it's a kind of a linking thing between your research and all the data that you're pulling from Google in the next step when I do it. We are here into business to business copywriting. Let's say I am having a topic of interest, B2B SEO copywriting. Now, interconnected topic could be business to business, conversion copywriting, just content writing, or sales copywriting, right? These are all connected topics. I might have used a general topic and a niche there. You can, by the way, also use again the information. So my niche was a strategic copywriting consultant who deliver clear copy and is a kind of long-term professional copywriter. That's what I'm targeting here. It's very specific niche, very specific segment, B2B professional copywriter. Now, topic that I'm trying to address here is about B2B SEO copywriting. And here, there's another information that you ask, what is this for? So this you can make a kind of topic or headline or the information that you want in your blog. And that will also be sort of triggering the artificial intelligence to connect the data from Athena and also pull the result from GPT-3 or any other model that we are using. We are using different type of model within GPT-3, but other sources as well. But this topic, this B2B SEO copywriting, is pulling all the Google data and connecting the Athena training. This is not pulling the Google data, but let's say 5 ways to increase conversion with copywriting. Okay. I have been explaining that Athena is a semantic search, so it understands the meaning of words. If I do some variations here, it does not matter because it always looks for the relevant context in the Athena, in the training that we have done in the database. Think of Athena as a Google database, which understands the meaning. So it's a database and an AI assistant, which connect your input with the language model. So first input was for pulling all the Google data. Second was triggering artificial intelligence and Athena to specifically write on that context using our niche information that is already there. And the third information, again, help us to create better outline. So what we still want to focus on that reader. What problem does this content solve for your readers? Our reader, our niche is B2B professional copywriters, right? You can see how to structure the sentences. So write something like short sentence, help them to do XYZ. So helps them to increase conversions for their clients. We are talking about here B2B SEO copywriting, 5 ways to increase conversion with copywriting, and this helps them to increase conversion with their clients. I already showed you the niche. Let's say, what does this pillar post mean? Like what exactly the data is going to pull. So again, you might be aware of the concept of pillar post. Pillar post is an extensive post which talk about several ideas and it has a structure. The pillar post template that you see inside here has a structure suggested by HubSpot. Did some research and they came out with a template or a structure that can help you to get more conversion. And this is exactly how you will see the output here. You don't need to, like in your blog, of course, you will remove this. It gives you some kind of guideline, right? It gives you some kind of idea like how this entire pillar post is structured. So to start with writing in headline, 60 character headline is important because this is what Google prescribes to write. If you write more than longer character, then it doesn't show in the serve pages. So you see, it's already start following the best guidelines from HubSpot. 5 ways to improve your copywriting to increase conversions. Then, of course, there are some variations of the headline, and it's addressing directly to niche. 5 ways to increase conversion with copywriting. It was a repetition of the same thing. The subheadline was 5 ways to increase conversion with copywriting that don't require a lot of research time. Nice. I mean, this is where this post is going into quite depth. So copywriting is a critical part of marketing agency, but it can be difficult to know how to increase conversion with copywriting. Here are 5 tips that can help you. It's already started in the introduction with 5 tips. Then it touch upon the desire, which vertical. Then you see it's provide all income. Like it's describing your main topic of interest, explain why this main topic of interest is important to my niche, provided suggestions. You see it's kind of already a long post we have already created. It's 1594 words which we have already created using the single click of button, and we have lot of things to do. Think of this as like a cake that you just took out from the oven, and now you have a lot of other tools to continue this content. You wanted to extend it, you wanted to reduce it, you wanted to make 3 part of the blog series, you wanted to create different chapters in it. Every possibility is there.